here we are in our project in Arlington Heights where we're doing our second floor addition up here. We put in our steel beams, 2 of them last week. Columns over here and over here. The beams are going to be holding up brick on the exterior of our second floor addition. The floor is being installed today. This is a second floor addition on the back of a 2-story home. This addition is going to be blending into the exterior, so it looks like it was always part of the house when we're finished. As I say, we're putting in the 4 TGIs today. They are going to be going from the existing load-bearing wall all the way to the exterior wall. It's going to have this addition look like a dormer on the outside. As I say, it's going to have a brick exterior. The home is a brick exterior home, so as I mentioned, it's going to blend into the existing, so it always looked like it was always part of the house. So thanks for watching. Check back with us in a week or 2 again to see our progress, and thanks for watching our video, and have a good day.